Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Seacoast House of Cars, we have what is highly considered one of the best driver's cars of all time. This is the 2000 BMW M5. Absolutely great example. 63,000 miles. Obviously a manual because they all were. Oh, what a cool car. What's funny is I've never driven an E39 M5, but I have driven a Z8, which featured this power plant. So it's kind of weird. Most people have driven a E39 M5, but haven't driven a Z8. I was backwards. But this is two reviews in one. This is the 2001 BMW M5. Sorry, that was a little joke. Derek bought this to go along with the car because it's kind of cool. So pedals perfect for heel toe, 400 horse, 369 pound-feet of torque, shift lever illuminates, heated seats, sport, DSC, which is your traction control. We can leave that on. Although early 2000s traction controls were not what they are today. They were very, very intrusive, and they just cut all the power right away and then gave it right back to you. So they almost kind of made things worse. But they just put new tires on it, so the tire pressure monitor needs to reset itself, so that's what that is. So the M5 was a luxury sedan. It still is a performance grand tour, but this is way more of a sports car than new M5. New M5 is very, very heavy. It has tons of power, yes, but it just misses that sauce that this car has. That's just because of all the features that are in new cars now. I mean, you got massaging seats, heated seats, cooled seats, you got everything. Cars weigh more, and with added safety regulations and everything, they're going to weigh more. This is lighter weight, rear-wheel drive, 6-speed manual, and a big torquey NAV8. And my water bottle that I forgot was being held by my camera bag. Drive me insane. Oh. Now, I've driven a CT5 Blackwing, and everybody says that's the best sports sedan since this. And obviously, that car is 25 years newer than this car. So they don't compete against each other. They really don't. And this is half the price. A clean one of these is half the price of a mild up CT5V Blackwing. Is it half the experience? Absolutely not. Yeah, the 5 Blackwing, the platform, you know, you're gonna turn faster lap times in a CT5V Blackwing. There's not a shadow of a doubt. But as an analog street car, I don't know, man. Yeah, it's very, very close. And to say that shows why these things are going up in value. Because to get a similar experience in today's day and age, you have to spend 100 grand. When these are going for 50 or 40, around that range. Really, really clean ones are obviously more money, but this is a clean one with 63,000 miles. This is a great driver. This is not one that is like mothballed. You can drive it, enjoy it, and you won't lose money in this car. Because the only way up from here is, the only way to go from here is up. Oh, you're a good car. You're a good car. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.